subscribe to my channel and share this video. Make sure you turn on the notification so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first before YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn from Bybit. How you can actually earn from Bybit. Some of you are just hearing Bybit for the first time, or you are already trading on Bybit and you don't know how to earn from Bybit apart from trading future or spot. So I'm going to show you how you can actually go to earn from Bybit even if you don't know how to trade at all. Now it's simple. So when you come to Bybit using my link below this video, use my link to sign up. If you don't know how to sign up, make sure you watch my previous video. I've already recorded a video course on how to actually sign up on Bybit. It's very simple. So you can use your Gmail to sign up, or you can use your Google account to sign up. Now after signing up, you are going to do what? You are going to verify your account by clicking your image here. You can see this profile image here. You verify your account. Verify your account, because if you don't verify your account, there is no way you can do what? You can reap the benefit. So make sure you do what? Make sure you verify your account so that you can get access to the various features on Bybit. So if you don't know how to verify your account, go and watch my previous video on that. So without further ado, let's dive in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from Bybit without trading. Now if you look at this interface, you see different tab here. You can see this is you can see spot here, spot. You can see alpha. You see derivatives. You see what? TradeFi. This tab. Now among this tab, the one I'm going to show you how to navigate is what? These spots. You know that I've already recorded video on how to trade future. So if you check my previous videos, so go and watch that video. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money from spots without trading at all. Now this spot, you can see that if you want to get access to this spot, you come to this new. See this new. Now this new tab is where you're going to find new coins that are just traded on Bybit. New coins that are just traded on Bybit. Every time new coins are added to Bybit, and where you find this new coin is by what? Come to this new. So before these coins get listed, it will be announced here. It will be announced here. For example, look at this the coin at the top here. You can see this coin at the top here. Now you can see that this coin ZKP is trading at this price. You can see, and in the last 24 hours, the coin price has decreased by what? 6.2%. Look at this VOI. This VOI in the last 24 hours has decreased by 6.65%. Look at this score. In that 24 hours, it has increased by 1.86%. So you can see. So now, before this coin are listed, it will be announced here, and the exact time that it will be listed will be given here. So what does that mean? What it means is that if you are a smart trader, you have to be on your guard to make sure that the coin gets listed before your eyes. if you are a smart trader, you must know the time the coin will be listed. Now when you come to this new and you find a coin that are yet to be listed, so that coin, you are going to see that coin. By the time the coin is listed, let me click on this ZKP. So okay, so this is, you can see this is spot trading. So this is ZKP. Now you know that the ZKP has been listed already. So assuming you want to know the time that this ZKP will be listed, so you find it in that word, you find it in that new tab. Now let me show you another way of knowing when the coin will be listed. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now another way to know when the coin will be listed is by coming to your Telegram. Come to Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, go and download Telegram. Come to Telegram. Now when you come to Telegram, now I'm going to show you what will blow your mind here. Some of you think that you can only make money from Bybit by just trading. No, you don't need to know how to trade. Now let me show you something. By the time you come to Bybit, to your Telegram account, so let me allow the thing to update. Okay, so now it's updating, but let me just click on this search bar at the top. Now we can click on the search bar at the top, click on search. Now just type Bybit. Now when you type Bybit, you can see click on this announcement. You can see this Bybit announcement, and make sure that the one you are clicking must have a verified mark. You can see it must have a verified mark here. So just click on it, click on this announcement. You can see. So when you click on this and it's just scroll down, so you see the latest information. Now let me show you can see. Let me show you something here to see what I'm going to tell you now. To know the exact time, okay, I can see. Okay, this one I'm looking for. Okay, let me just scroll up, scroll down. So by the time you are going to see what I'm going to show you, it will blow your mind. You can see that this ZKP was listed on December 19. You can see. I myself, I even miss it. You can see ZKP deposits are open now. You can see the coin is on ELT, base, and BSC chain. So immediately you do what? You know the exact time that it will be listed. This is 1 p.m. So the 1 p.m. UTC means it will be listed at 2 p.m. here in Nigerian time. That is meaning 1 p.m. UTC means it will be listed 2 p.m. So immediately you know the exact time. Telegram is very fast to know. Telegram is very fast to know the time or the exact time that the coin will be listed, or to get news of new coin that will be listed. So to know the updates of new coin that will be listed, just come to Telegram. You are going to see the coin, the new coin that will be listed, and it said ZKP deposits are open via the, you can see, stand a chance to grab a share of the 1,500,000 ZKP price. So maybe you know this. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from this coin. So it's not now. You can see now. This other one you can see. They said VOI is now, because this VOI is officially listed on Bybit. You can see. So this one has been listed already. You can see. Just like the one that I just, you can see. Let me scroll. You can see. You can see what you can see. This coin, you can see, was announced here. You can see. So this is mind blowing. This is information that you should be looking for. You don't need to know how to trade before you make money from Bybit. Bybit, you can make money from Bybit without knowing how to trade. You can see. You can see what I'm saying now. So don't joke with this update. So if I get one of this video, so subscribe to my channel and share this video. So make sure you turn on notification. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make use of this coin to make money. Thanks for watching. Bye.